How to log in with Google in Tumblr. If you want to use the Tumblr application and wondering on how to log in on it using your Google, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Tumblr application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to log in with Google, simply tap on to continue with Google just right here. Select it. Then tap on to continue. Then from here simply choose one of your Google ID just like this. Then tap on to continue. Now simply choose your birthday just like this and tap on to next. Now simply add your blog name just like this and tap on to next once again. Now simply follow 5 tags to continue just like this and tap on to next. And now you can see you have been logged in using your Google. And that's it. This is how you can log in with Google in Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.